Repent and see the light and know this switch. Yes.
So we are on. What are we on? Barnstormer. Barnstormer.
There, so please don't.
All right, Jerry.
Short but sweet. That was fun.
I don't think it could get any shorter.
No.
30 seconds?
30 seconds. Fast pass.
What are we doing there, buddy?
My foot was like, I don't know what it was, but my foot just kept like hurting, but I took it off and shaked it around.
We saw something black on his toe, so I think there was something like a spike.
I like brushed it off.
So we're on the railroad. We're gonna take a nice ride around the whole entire park.
It's wait, what is it called? If you go over
The Walt Disney World Railroad.
yeah, it's that / Pokemon egg hatching machine.
Oh.
It's bookie time.
Hey guys, here we go. We are on Space Mountain. All right.
So excited!
We're on Space Mountain.
Yeah.
I'm not excited. I don't like this ride.
What?
I don't like this ride. Hang on, Jerry. All right, guys.
That was amazing.
All right.
Still shaking a bit. It's completely dark. You're going extremely fast. There's some drops. It's insane, but fun.
I had my hands up the whole time, and there was a couple times I'm going like this because it looks like we're in such an enclosed area. I didn't want to get them like ripped off, but it was amazing.
What do you think, Jesse and Jaden?
Awesome. I like it, but honestly, I like Rocket Looks better than this. It's my favorite.
I personally, I don't like this ride. So, yeah. You guys got me on it.
Jaden was behind me the whole time, using the seat right behind me. She's just basically updating me. Oh, we're coming to this part. We're coming to this part.
What's over there?
So, we are on the Wedway PeopleMover.
What's over there? That looks
I love this ride. Got the speedway down there.
Oh, is that?
And then we got a really nice storm over there. Hollow storm. Hey, Jess. We love this ride.
Hello! Hello!
Jaden's been very vocal, waving to everybody.
Hello, everyone! You can't hear me!
Space Mountain over there.
Hello!
You didn't say hi to that person.
We're now approaching Walt Disney's Carousel of Progress.
Carousel of Progress.
This rotating theater.
I love that ride.
That was an awesome ride.
That was fun,
It
right?
really was great.
Starting way back at the turn of the
Through infinity and beyond.
You guys have fun? Can't see you. Hey, bud. So we're in front of the castle. Now, this is really funny because the ground is wet. It's been raining. But if you guys want to see something, this, I don't think I've ever seen this anywhere else. But sorry about that. Sorry about that. My camera shut off. But anyway, so you've got dark, ominous clouds here. And then you got the castle. And then you got over there. Oh, look. The sky is clear. So that's really strange. Weird lighting too. But anyway, we're trying to get pictures in front of this castle, but as you can see, it's really crowded. We're gonna go find some food, and hopefully the rain holds off and we can just continue enjoying Magic Kingdom. Not sure what's gonna happen tomorrow. We do have a hurricane coming, so well, it is what it is, right? How you feeling?
Better.
You look a lot better. Yeah.
Yeah.